Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we'll be taking a look at a pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. Under the hood is the 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes standard with the 20-inch 5-spoke wheels. We've got an espresso brown ginger beige MB text interior, panorama sunroof. Come around back here. You've got a power liftgate, all season floor mats, fold down rear seats, plenty of space in the back here. You've got some memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters. Let's go ahead and start the car up. We've got backup camera, navigation. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which comes with heated seats, command navigation, dual climate zone, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've got our cup holders, our command center. This vehicle only has 34,939 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.